So in R, there are many ways to and do loops means executing the code many times under same condition or different condition. And the most simple thing you can do is a while loop and for loop. And while loop is used when never don't really know how many times you repeat, or it's non-linear looping. And for loop is more like linear looping. You know how many times you're repeating. Uh, is you get clear. Uh, so let's see example. While bracket a condition, and then you keep doing it. This is the while loop. The syntax is very simple. Let's see the for example. Let's sum all the integers from 1 to 10. So define n equal to 10, I equal to 1, and sum is 0. As long as I is less than n, so get the sum which time you sum I, and every time I go by 1, then automatically you summing 1, 3, 4, 5 until I become 10. So that's automatically you got 1 to 10. See the example. This is the exactly same code you find in the slide. So run it, you get 55. This is exactly what we want. And let's see the next example using a for loop. So for loop, the syntax is even simpler. Find m1, n is 10, and from I equal to say m to n, then you run it. So let's see. So do the same thing here. N is 10, m is 1, and sum is 0 from I 1, 10, then you sum it. Okay, so this is how you work on it. Let's see this book. Summing 1 of 10, so the same thing. Run this. Still 55, same as what we see in while loop. So next thing to show you the exercise. So let's try to do the following by modifying the code we have before. So we, instead of doing the sum, we want a product. So let's calculate the product from 50 to 100 using a while loop and using a for loop. Okay. So let's see the answer using a while loop. So I have n equal to 100, I is 50, the product equal to 1, so it's not 0 because product you multiply, baseline is 1. So I less than n, every time you multiply the product by 50, 51, up until 100. So when you have this, like a very large number, very big number. And how to do a for loop? Same thing. Specify the endpoint 100, initial point 50, product initial value is 1, and every time you multiply 1 times 50, 50 times 51, the product times 52 until the end. So you should expect the same answer. Okay, you can see the answer the same. This is how you do a for loop. Thank you.